Say. You don't say. You don't say. You don't say. Well, call me later. Okay. Who was that on the phone? I don't know. They didn't say. The oldest vaudeville joke in history, ladies and gentlemen. Quick update, short, sweet update from the man cave at Wistful Vistas here in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. It's another glorious day out there, February the 10th or 9th? February the 10th. Just a glorious day. Went out for a ride earlier today with my good friend Mr. Dale Sheets. He of the Tuono, the non-factory, I think he said it was a 2016, almost got him in trouble. Got over in Rancho Santa Fe and I wanted to take him down this one back road. Went by this road that I had been going by for 10 years anyway. Start shooting down there, just riding along. I look around, it's a one-way road. Dale, bless his heart, is following me. Big mistake, Dale. Anyway, no harm done. It's just a little short access road, but it was one way. Okay, the update that I spoke of, the update. And by the way, it was a beautiful day to ride and a little bit on the warm side. And I felt the heat coming from Larry Lightning. So heat, I think, is an issue on these machines. It's a theme. So the updates are, we're going to keep this fast-paced, hope you don't mind. That last one, installing the Cardo into this little bad boy, ran for 27, almost 30 minutes. Kills your viewership, by the way, but I certainly get it. You need to really want to see it if you want to hang in there. Anyhow, I have this going on. This will not stick to this plastic helmet here, and I don't know if it's a case of not matching the curves so well. There's some flexibility on the Cardo side, but it just will not stick. Now this is one of the nicer finished helmets I've ever seen. I did use the alcohol prep pad to clean it off, but it will not stick. Sarah, it will not stick. Sarah, Sylvia, Cynthia, Stout will not take the garbage out. It won't stick. So I've ordered some 3M tape. I don't really have suitable two-sided tape to use, and I've ordered some 3M tape, and I'm going to attempt to get that to hang on there with the 3M tape. I was going to glue it with my old buddy Gorilla Glue, but it bugged me so much to put glue on a brand new AGV helmet. I couldn't do it. I couldn't force myself to do it. So we'll not be doing that, but should get the tape thanks to the miracle of Amazon overnight deliveries. I should get the tape tomorrow, and I'll put it on and give you a little update. The other piece of astonishing news, astounding news, just came today after nearly 2 months of waiting. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes upon the Comfort Gel black seat for the Aprilia Tuono. Yes. So I was just, as I mentioned, out riding today on the red one. Not a uncomfortable seat, but not the most comfortable. But the issue is the red color on the seat is already starting to show a little bit of strain. Let me just grab you here and turn you sideways. Bear with me. We probably won't keep this part in, but maybe I will just to aggravate everybody. Let's get that red seat in view here. And I'm not going to be able to focus in that tightly on the red seat, but at issue, it's already getting a little bit of discoloration, I think. I can see some marks there. I haven't tried to clean this off particularly well yet, but I am going to remove this and try that Comfort Gel seat, something I won't be able to do till next week. So until then, I'll get back to you with an update when I get a ride in on that new Comfort Gel seat, 2 4mm screws to remove it and replace it. looking forward to doing that and seeing if this red seat won't clean up. I'll put it aside because I think it looks nice, but the black seat is much more, let's say, practical. Let's talk about practical when we talk about motorcycles in the same sentence. May not be an exact match, if you know what I mean. But in any case, from a beautiful day in San Diego, I first of all want to thank Mr. Road Glide for suggesting the two-way tape, because I was about ready to scritch that glue on there, but I'm going to do that. That will be the two-way tape. Thank you, Mr. Road Glide. And I hope wherever you are, you're having a wonderful day, whatever the weather. And should you be able to ride safe. We'll be back to you when we get this seat situation and that Cardo straightened out. Take care.